On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make perfect plantain chips, the kind of ones you buy in the shop. If you are interested, keep watching. Do you know you can start up a plantain chips business with just £10, guys? This 2025, don't let it pass you by without starting a little business for yourself. This plantain you are seeing here costs just £10. I have 40 pieces of it. It was sold for £1. Guys, you can start up a plantain chips business, or you can be making your own plantain chips instead of buying from the market, because for me, na cheating. No. I know plantain is very expensive, but there are sometimes you go to the market and then you will see plantain 4 for £1, sometimes 5 for £1. So whenever I see like this, it's an opportunity for me to make plantain chips. And because it's a festive period, I was like looking for something I am going to add to the gifts I'll be gifting my family and friends. And I decided to make plantain chips. Guys, next I'm going to use my food processor to slice the plantain. If you have food processor at home, it makes your life easy, and it slices the plantain the way you want it, just like the ones you see in the market. This is a cool business to start up in this 2025. Honestly, I am thinking of starting this business. Or if you are the type that love to eat plantain chips, don't you think you can be making it for yourself? I spent £10 for the quantity of plantain you are seeing like this. And then you go to the market, you buy little quantity for £5, for £10. Don't you think it's a waste of money? More especially if you have little ones at home that love to snack a lot. Making your own at home will cost you less. Once I'm done slicing this plantain, I'll proceed to frying it. So I added a little pinch of salt on the oil before I start adding the plantain on it. The reason why I did that is because when I fry the plantain, when the plantain is ready, when you eat it, the salt will not be on the body of the plantain. But if you put salt on the plantain before putting them in the oil, the salt will remain on the body. Even the ones you buy in the market, this is how it's being done. And again, if you noticed, I was putting the plantain one by one into the oil. I didn't pack them and put in the oil at a go. I put them one after the other. The reason why I did that is because I don't want the plantain to stick together. The ones you buy in the market, this is how it's been done. So I fry the plantain until it is yellowish in color. I don't want it to be golden brown, just like the ones you used to buy in the market. So next I will go in to add another plantain into the oil. Like I told you, if you notice, I am putting them bit by bit. I separated the plantain because I don't want it to stick together. If you are doing plantain business, when you're frying your plantain, you have to be careful. You don't want it to be brown, you want it to be yellowish in color. That is the beauty of plantain chips. Guys, this is the quantity of plantain I've made out of £10. This I am holding, I bought it for £5. Like, I am still regretting why I bought these plantain chips. I bought it for £5.35, and then look at what I got for £10. Imagine I packaged this plantain in the same type of plastic can like this. I will make £30 extra as gain. Like, this is a cool business you can start up in this 2025. Like, I am thinking to start up this business. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. See you all on my next one. Bye.
Step into the kitchen where the magic's made from spicy Joe.